Guess who I found?
I got a bonus.
$3 bet. Good. Oh, this is when you need a chip or
Or a dolphin.
the dolphin. Or is it a porpoise?
Yeah, whatever.
Flipper. You gotta push the button or sit here for like a week. Chip. Oh, that's wild. Queen's lined up, but that doesn't pay a lot. Better than nothing. There's the prizes you could win.
Chip. Come on, chip.
Oh man, don't tell me it's gonna be a sad. Well, you got 3 more games. I don't want to jinx you.
Well, it's gonna bring me up over what I started with.
That's a good
2
thing.
cents. Oh my god, I accidentally did that.
Accidentally fast spin. I never seen you do that before. That's the first
Oh
time.
my
I swear
god,
to God.
I just did it.
Come on, baby. Wild. Get a turtle. Turtle. Oh, we got Jack. Holy cow. Actually, for a $3 bet. Not too bad of a prize. That's a pretty good prize.
Jacks. Times 2.
It's still counting up. Push the button. Almost $100.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, it is 100.
You're right, it is. Silly me. I'm playing this. Oh. I just did the same thing. I just accidentally pushed the button. I'm playing $5. I'm gonna quit. Well, we'll see. I do 10 cents minimum bet. Either 3 suitcases. Them are wild. That's the top symbol. And we want them chips. Or the suitcase. Chip. We want 6 chips, not 3. Oh, that's a good one. If we got 25 lines, that should be something. You can tell by the music. $22. On a $5 bet. It's not very good. Yeah, I'm not feeling it. Oh, yeah. I love it when it doesn't do that. Come on, get another bonus so I got something to record.
I'm gonna go and smoke some.
I'm gonna too.
I have to leave the cigarette in there.
As soon as I get a bonus here. Alright, here it comes. Yeah, not even close. You know what? Even though it was $30, I'm still gonna cash it. Sometimes them $30 tickets, instead of just putting it in the machine, it ain't giving you nothing right away. And well, on to the next one.